MDC ka mokhar pentor umkra ba pensingai NCM hakasngi ba ka darbar mangtengka ka yeng darbar thawan ka hastils autonomous district council abon rai ka madetai ulabu ka cingeli ka bai deb ka cinglong jeman ka building permission ban snai yeng nambar ka babun ki pajba ki klumar cingmut laki hab ban sim jingbet na ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority ni na ka district council abon rai ka mat cingtai ka bai deb ki kondon an snai yeng ju council ba pensingai lo ong kumbalong menta kalong tangkum ka agency ju sarkar ban ai ki jingbet ban snai yeng
hakajinga dai baka building permission kababaro sikapta la isu daga Meghalaya Urban Development Authority yang tei but donru kisiem bahadu menta kadang isu ka building permission kani ka pen kumar jimut ciboni ki paiba anu senang natara ngako bangun rai kani ka motion banyo jing pensai na kalang ia in charge jongka town committee hakajinga dai batka status jongka building permission na kabenta ki nongsong snong ki bahaba pa upur usam jongka district councils ngarong katu kadi di jingkwa jing pensai na ia in charge awai ka baningkong kalong ako ban sutu ka ai ka status jongka hasil autonomous district council lang ang building relation ia ka bangila de China daga executive committee ke barim ke baar kalong hapo purusam jong ka tribal area jongi gidon arli ki jaka ke bangi khot away ka di tribal area on the district sidil away ka di tribal area on the district sidil ke baha pade haga Shillong administrative area but kebalai pada kedai ka Shillong municipal kabala exercise nadu ka por di British dengan ko ban sutu kan diat lada ki nongsong Shillong ki don kam ya ka building permission hadu menta kidang haban lei sira muda ne kidang haban wan ka district council ne ki haban lei siem la kalong ya ki basyong ati administrative municipal kumjuro ka dai batka tribal area on the district schedule namar ba kumbang sutu adu menta kibabon ki nong song kim shai nangno banyo ya ka building permission bang ko ban yo ji bin shai na kalemu ya men charge ya ka latest notification jong ka state government ka jongi ka jinga dai ka building permission nama ka bang yo i tentang la i kumba penlong i tangkum ka agency jongka government ban issue ki building permission katkum ka Meghalaya taung company penang planning act bagata na suba bisa zaman kam yahap namar baga du aweno ya ka jinglong autonomy ka jongi hakaba ka jing sisang di ban issue ka building permission katkum ka regulation ka jongi baladang issue ka permission katkum ka regulation jongka state government kabamot giditang kawin ka department jongka state government berkawan rakyat bon kijingnya hamta magajingnya dai ka fees berbon ki technical issue ki bakta na kabentaki nongsong sidang berkamtam kumnong mi khmat naga stor silong maukhar pentorong kra babon ki paiba ki syamjingnya sibon misal zaman sar kim sutu sutau madu ba debat issue ya ka building permissions badon ru ki baong batangki Basyong apo tribal area on the district sidil like no kitu kiba syong haki administrator municipal kumgalai kra maukhar kajayau kinuma aju kimban pan permission na ka district council kaniru gawai ke jingkeli ka bang ko ban yo shai na ka yang ya min charge nang ba kanombu yang ki paiba ke jingya ban repeat yang saja mansa ka bang ko ban yo shai ka long ka ek status jong ka hasil district council building regulations kabar kolong ibasyong haka Shillong administrative municipal kinhaban pan building permission naka district council ne naka state government kabalai ibasyong hapo ki tribal area on the district sidil kinhaban pan no scheme ne naka district council ne naka muda kanang bakan syai ipai ba nong sunong jong ka rikasi jong kin syai nang no banyo ka building permission bagumjuro ngako banyo ji syai no ya minjat haji ngade baka notification jong government ka bakhaddo ka bayde bakanika building permission.
Ba poleng do ba dai executive member ulang ba skor jala kala ibore konsil pakala ban snahi lagi chongi building bylaws.
Pentip batang itu ya kini ke house panadu ba lapan kamti yang ya kini ke department seperti ke town committee lalaman kendu ika sokar jala bun sin bat kiladon ru kijingelang akaba leader jongi CM relation mentalang. But kita kini discussion kita jam agak level jong minister in charge jong ki Kamsar urban affairs. Ngan tempai kemudian ia kejumut berkat jongi bahagian urukam la IT lapan kam bor di district council agak jengi day buat ki building bylaws. Kini kemudian ki ba nila sushna an limba ki bill limba ki act ki jong nika house lani jong state government and regi ke para 3E part F jong ka 6 schedule li ke baong baki district council ki don ka bor but establish ki town committee but ki way pat ki kam any other matter relating to town administration government bang nalong constitutionally empowered lapan khambor ini dagariti trekam jongkari India bagin shna yaki an ki rules ki bylaws ki bede but ke town administration de ngilong aware ru nyetip lang ru ya ke para 12 AA jongkar 6 schedule kaba ompat ba kaba koi sekalian jong kaan kenu kaan kaba ke district council haga state jongi kashna ya kinu kikam gibede bat sap parau one of para 3 jong ka 6 schedule lada kita ki an kilong repugnant lani ki tingku bat ki an ba lashna daga state assembly ki ay lashna daga state assembly kin prevail lani kin yang titih lor yang tak kanong rim kanang ban lai na kwa ke council bat ki ay di bangi misna kin cha ban thombor kin cha ban dilute no na ka jing klanbor jong kani ke para 12 AA ke bangilala ban le kalong ba nilai kendu bun sin bat ke state government haswa ban finalize ya kani the building bylaws ke ba lapan meet menta meglia building bylaws 2021 kawai ke ba nilala ban le kani ke benta kalong ba haka pradarik Oktober Arjat Arthau kani ke council kaladap apa ke isi ke jongi ban menjur ban hari kita ban notify ya ke Khasi Hills Building and Structure Regulatory Authority kaba kentuk yau ia in charge building bylaws and town committees the chairman the members belong to superintending engineer, jog engineering wing, assistant executive engineer, architect, member secretary, the officer in charge building bylaws. But in terms of reference, lani ikindon trekam kilong kumni, but ben clear but finalize yaki building bylaws yaki area ki bahap apa ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Daka bapendon kam ya ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Land Development and Building Regulation Arhajar Khatsan kum ke reference point baan ban ai permission ban ai jingbit ban shna ban shong ke building hapo ki parameters balashna de ki bylaws terter di ini ki terms of reference iba sak nangka ke belum technical nanti ke panggilan syai ba belum ba the authority government kini ke Khasi Hills Building and Structure Regulatory Authority shall oversee the implementation of the Meghalaya building bylaws in areas under its administrative jurisdiction temporarily, that is until they are replaced by its own set of bylaws. Di agak jingnya dapat ke mood question ke pang ke pedeng du jong ke submission jong ki orlok family jong ke maukar pentuar MDC but MDC jong ke Melim constituency ngakwa menginya syai lang kumni dan notification jong ke state government kebalau kami agak katsan tarik April ya yong arjat akuai keong di area ban pentri kami kembali building bylaws arjat akuai kilong kami Meghalaya Urban Development Authority for areas under 1 municipal areas 2 / scheme areas 2 central / state government / public sector undertaking projects outside the municipal areas where land has been allotted by the state government. Central / state government / public sector undertaking projects outside the municipal areas where land has been allotted by the state government. 3. Government lands / properties / industrial estates outside the municipal areas. 4. Special projects as per Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021. B. The Autonomous District Council Kintrekam haki areas iba like no ya kita iba lajar heneng